Oh, I love the smell of new tools. It smells like weird, sexy rubber. Oh man. Oh. 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 All right. Let's drill some fucking holes. Little update. We got the posts in. Whoa, posty toasty. Oh, look at those nice little well. Ooh. Not so nice, but we did that so it breaks off. Clearly. So we got our anchor bolted in there. Hey, again. And this little frame here, probably gonna have to redesign that because I realize now once it gets to the bottom, I was planning on lowering it the extra few inches I need. And I need 6 on this side past the bottom. Currently this is gonna give me maybe 2. So I need to replace these with 2x6s. So I'll do that on the other corners. I love the new hammer drill though. Woo! Which works so good. Yeah, I got all our posts in. Hey. Oh, garage door hardware. We got that too. We got our rail. We got all these doodads in. Ready? We got the rod, wrench, 10 mil. All security shit's removed. Ready to detention this spring. Like this, I don't know. They should just like push or something. I don't know. I just lifted this beast up and she popped out really easy. I just put that on the top of the ladder and it seemed to like that. So I don't know, whatever, roll with it. So I think your next step there would be probably take this bolt out, I'm thinking. This one and then that one. Kind of like twist this out, pop this out, put it back in, go to the other side, I can pop it out. This one will hold up the wall still. That will be the last pin on that side. I can take this panel out, leave that loose, and then reverse the process to get back. I think that should work. Well, loose. So this shit is gonna work or what? Can you see the other end? Oh, can you ever? Oh, hold on, that's a little better. You're supposed to just be able to twist. So we took the pin out. One-man showing is hard.
And now we'll just continue that super fun process.
Modification. This time, instead of pulling one pin and then having it fall and be shitty, we'll just do the same thing. Left side, right side, whatever. Bring the whole panel down, then pop both pins out. Boom! As you can see, the door is down. Now it's time to reinforce though. Yeah, we're gonna go straight across here, and then go up like this, down like this, triangulate a mofo. Always keep your damn eyes open. See this little guy? Whoa! Where did I find this? Check this out. My garage door opener, sitting up here like this. Okay, wait, hold on. Sitting up there like that. And I was like, man, that's a weird garage door feature. Hey, I was like, well, what's that little, what is that? What is that? Take it off. It's a damn knife. For a what? I don't own this knife. It's been up there the entire time I've lived here. Could have fallen on my head. Could have fallen on my head anytime. Just whoop, 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 wherever. Sometimes there's a bit of a horseshoe up my ass because I got all this dunnage for free when I picked that up. I had a little bit, but I didn't know how much I needed. I needed way more. They're like, oh yeah, we're throwing all this out. You can just have it. So I picked it up and I got all of this, tons of it. Like, I don't know. It's like 2x3s and 3x3s, except that stuff's dimensional 3x3. This is not. And if I snap it up into 30-inch chunks, which, I don't know, to me is a little narrow. It gives us exactly 41 inches high, and we're trying to go 38, so perfect. It's funny how things work out. I chopped all that dunnage, chopped it all up, and I got exactly 38 inches. That's weird, right? That's exactly how high we're going. We're also throwing some 6 inches in there to give us extra buffer, but that's still just bonkers.